guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought I would give you guys a quick update of my progress on my apartment. Starting off, I'm just dressing more casual today. Have my hair braided half up and then the bottom is wavy, and I'm wearing a religious t-shirt as a sloth, and it says relax, God is in control, and just some jeans, look like they have patches, and my Converse, and trade out my towel, and I moved all of my cleaning supplies into my shelving, into my storage area. So I'm planning, Lord willing, to move all those cleaners into the kitchen. I moved all my towels in here, which is an improvement instead of them being all over the place. And Lord willing, I'm planning on bringing this painting supplies to my dad this weekend because he is a professional painter. And so I have this situation. I've got stuff in the way again. This is a crate full of shoes. I'm planning, Lord willing, to put them under my bed. And this is my travel stuff from last weekend. I went to see my cousins. They were having a first birthday party for their little girl, so definitely wanted to be there for that. I used to babysit her mother, so it's kind of special. Still have not figured out what I'm doing with this. And I still have stuff in that chair. And it's just a stack of papers, and this is a drawing that I did of Mom and Dad. And I am in the middle of folding my clothes and putting them away because I just got back from doing laundry. And I don't have my bedspread yet, but I'm in the process of that. And my drawers are really spilling out in this little dresser, so I'm having to go through that. And I have been getting in the habit of using this, and I'm really happy about it. I have these gloves that I found at an antique mall for $4, and I just love them. They're probably over 100 years old, and they fit me. And I have them on the trunk with the hat and the dress. This is some stuff I'm supposed to put on the walls. It's just sitting there for now. And I just open this up and get my stuff when I need clothes, and then I just lock it up. I have the jeans on this side and the t-shirts on this side. And I've been making my way through this book, reading it every day. And I just got rid of bins, and then I got more bins, but these are really narrow ones, supposed to go under the bed. Just have not been able to fit them under there because of all this stuff in the way. So I've been hoping to get some stuff in the bins and put them under there. I have 3 of them. One of them is under my bed right now. And I put up these signs. Says, if you want breakfast in bed, sleep in the kitchen, and make yourself at home, clean my kitchen. I am sleeping in my kitchen, and I've had that sign for years. I thought that was pretty great that I still had it and that it fits so well with my current situation. I lived in a studio apartment before, but it was not this small, so it wasn't quite this true before. And then I've been working on the microwave, and so this is some fruit that I have with my meals, and I have this mug full of my utensils and little like can openers and things like that. And then I have my little salt and pepper shaker and my napkin holder and this doily. And believe it or not, I have been working on this stuff. I've got my stand-up mixer over here rather than being in the floor under my feet, and my canisters, but I need to take my other canisters out, and I've been putting the candles up here. Lord willing, I'm going to be moving them in my bathroom shelf where the paint products are, and I've been moving though a lot of my kitchen stuff up here instead of in the floor, and just working out one step at a time. I've probably gone through this before, but I work full-time Monday through Friday, and I go to church usually Wednesday and Thursday nights and Sundays, and then I travel a lot on the weekends, and I go out a lot of Friday nights. Of course, this Friday I am off from work because of Good Friday, and I'm planning, Lord willing, to go home to Missouri early and spend Easter weekend with my family. But yeah, I'm very busy, and I usually only get Monday and Tuesday evening to work on my place, and a little bit of Wednesday and Thursday evening to just kind of pick up after myself. And so it can be pretty hard to get things done, especially in this season. There's like a lot of events going on. It's spring and going into summer, it's going to be pretty busy. And I'm going to be completely honest, I have been struggling with my health and also with depression because of my health, and just being overwhelmed by that. But I'm thankful for all I am able to do. I'm thankful that I'm able to go to work, and I'm able to go and do all that I do. And I ask that you all would pray for me, and my prayers for you. If you ever need prayers or just someone to talk to, just let me know. And I hope you guys all have a very blessed week, and I will keep you all updated. Bye.